what is the deep function of that?
Mm-hmm.
Is it because they really want that piece of candy? Or is it because they're getting the negative attention and they're not getting attention in other areas of the environment? Like there's so much to behavior.
So are you saying that you think that in your scenario there, if the kid wants a piece of candy and has a tantrum because the parent says no, they're not getting fulfilled in some other area of their life, so that's why they're throwing a tantrum?
That could be. I mean, it's not always, but yeah, there's always like an ulterior motive. Like there's always another function. Because there's the functions of behavior are attention, escape, tangible, pain, like if you're sick or injured, or sensory. So those are all usually tangible, escape, and attention coexist. It's like social reinforcement. But if you could point that for most people in your life.
Mm-hmm.
And then there's this like non-function that is always the function, which is a lot of people's issue, is control. Like we don't actually consider that a function, but most people's motives is control. It's like very, very common. And we get frustrated as behaviorists because B.F. Skinner didn't label that a function. So we're always like, oh, it is control, but like what's the underlining issue? Like, okay, it's probably escape. So the example of the piece of candy and then having a tantrum. Is it because they tangibly want that and it's like the end of the world because they can't get that piece of candy? Or is it because the parents respond so reactively and maybe parents aren't as reactive in other situations or giving attention in other situations? So they're like, well, they give me attention every time I scream, so I'm just going to respond that way because that makes me feel calm. Like that coddling, that talking to them like, you know, like, get over there, sit down, and then you're getting all this negative attention. Or is it just because they don't have any coping skills? So mom and dad never explained to them that like sometimes you don't get what you want and we're structured and maybe, you know, we'll get candy at 6 p.m. and it's 4:30, like we're on a schedule. But they don't know how, they haven't taught them to like, it's not that big of a deal. We'll get it eventually. We just won't get it right now.
But do you think that, like, if you're trying to talk to a 4-year-old and explain to them that, like, I feel like 4-year-olds can't comprehend that because they're so impulsive.